Hello everyone. Today we will be doing writing of chemical formulas using the crisscross method. So when we write a chemical formula for compound, we've already done what is a compound. A compound is a combination of two or more elements. So when we write it in the chemical formula form, we follow the crisscross method, and then what we require is number one, symbol. We've already done what is symbols. Symbol is the abbreviation of elements, and I've already given you a list of abbreviation of various elements or the symbols of various elements. And number two, what we require is valency. We've also done what is valency. It is the combining capacity of an element. You will be provided with a list of various valency of various elements. So first let's learn how we write the chemical formula. Let's start with a very simple one, that is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the common salt that we use at home. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. So as I told you, the first thing that we require is the symbol. So number one, symbol. Symbol of sodium is Na, coming from the Latin name natrium, and the symbol for chloride is Cl. Next we require the valency. The valency of sodium is 1 and the valency of chloride is also 1. So the first step was we write the symbols. Then the next step is to write the valency. Now take a pencil. Now I've told you we are writing the chemical formula using the crisscross method. So what does the crisscross method mean? So now sodium will point towards the valency of chloride, and chloride will point towards the valency of sodium. So this is crisscross. So the next step is write the chemical formula. First is sodium, Na. What is it pointing? Which number is it pointing towards? 1. Next is chloride. It is also pointing to number 1. So the formula becomes Na1Cl1. But what happens is, when the valency is 1, we do not write any number. So the final answer will be Na. Since it is 1, we will not write anything. Cl, here also 1, so we won't write anything. So the chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. So what were the steps? What was the name of the compound? Sodium chloride. The first step was write the symbol. Symbol of sodium Na, so symbol of chloride Cl. Valency of sodium is 1. Valency of chloride is also 1. Now crisscross. Next step, chemical formulas. Na, it points towards number 1. Chloride, it also points towards number 1. And I told you, when it is 1, we do not write anything. So the chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Let's do another one. Magnesium. Okay, let's do magnesium hydride. Symbol for magnesium is Mg. Symbol for hydride is H. Next step is valency. Valency of magnesium is 2. Hydride is 1. What is the next step? Criss cross. Then we write the chemical formula. So the chemical formula of magnesium hydride is Mg. It is pointing to 1. H. It is pointing to 2. So the chemical formula, as I told you, we do not write 1. So we just write Mg. H. What is the number here? 2. So the chemical formula of magnesium hydride is MgH2. This was simple. Let's do a little bit complicated one now. Calcium oxide. So first step is write the symbol. Symbol for calcium is Ca. Oxide is O. Next step is write the valency. Valency for calcium is 2 and oxide is also 2. Now here we have 2 and 2. Now in mathematics you must have done fractions. Suppose if you get like this, when the numerator and denominator can be cancelled, we write 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Similarly, here also the valencies can be cancelled. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, like your fractions only. So here we are cancelling. The next step is criss cross. So the chemical formula Ca is pointing to now number 1 and oxide O is also pointing 1. As I told you, we did not write 1, so the formula becomes CaO. So this is how you write the chemical formula using the crisscross method. Now just remember here, for example, when you're writing magnesium hydride, this number should be written as the subscript. You cannot write 2 like this way. You cannot write this number like this way. It becomes wrong. Or you cannot write it as the superscript also. This also becomes wrong. So this number should be written as a subscript, not in the same level as H or not as a superscript. So I hope you all understood how to write the chemical formula using the crisscross method. Simple. The first step is write the symbol. Next step is write the valency, then crisscross, and now write the chemical formula. And if there is 1, no need to write the number. Thank you everyone. I hope you all understood.